that you really like, but you don't really like her. You don't like her. You're just pretending you like her. So then, and then the.
Are you listening to your sister?
And then the other girl says.
Are you listening to your sister?
Yes, I'm listening.
And then the other girl says, "You're cheating on me. I should never."
I'm not gonna cheat on my girlfriend.
What?
Do you have a girlfriend?
No, not yet.
Shitty scene.
Not yet. I'm serious.
How old are you?
10.
Yeah, you're not gonna have one until you're married, okay?
You.
Okay?
My purse.
Yes.
You promise?
The one.
Okay.
We need a plan.
And it has to be someone that the whole family likes.
Hey, this is the.
All 100 of us.
Okay, but if you guys don't and I too, well, that's your fault.
Okay, as long as she's good to you.
This is a new play we did. You
better be.
You stole my
She
purse.
better be good to me, cause if
I
not,
never.
I'm gonna whip her. I'm kidding.
No, Shitty scene, you don't hit girls.
No, I'm not gonna hit her. I'm gonna tell her, please just like treat me right or we're over.
You're
I'm
gonna.
not gonna hit her.
Okay,
I know I
good.
can't hit girls. That I
Good.
never have.
This
You
is the
won't
king.
go.
I've
This is
never
Millie the Mermaid's dad.
Good. Treat them right, okay?
This is Millie the Mermaid's dad.
Love her a lot.
This is Millie the Mermaid's dad. I mean king. Come to the Krusty Krab.
There is no Krusty Krab.
A special one, you lame dude.
You're a lame girl.
Be nice. Say bye.
Adios.
Say adios.
Adios. Adios.
Yes,
Adios.